Collected plastic waste is loaded into transport trucks and delivered straight to the recycling factory.
Collected plastic waste is loaded into transport trucks and delivered straight to the recycling factory for its...
Come with me and my team as we explore the plastic recycling factory process, from collected waste to beautiful new chairs.
Inside the sorting hall, plastic waste is unloaded and prepared for the first stage of separation. The first step in the plastic recycling factory process is manual sorting, removing non-plastic material.
Workers and machines sort plastics by type clean processing.
Collar sorting ensures clean, uniform recycling. Large plastics are crushed for easier processing. Crushed plastics are collected and checked in the plastic recycling factory process. In the plastic recycling factory process, washing removes...
Rinsing in the plastic recycling factory process makes flakes clean and ready for drying.
The plastic recycling factory process uses hot air to dry the plastic flakes thoroughly.
The plastic recycling factory process melts plastic flakes into a uniform mass.
Cooling solidifies the molten plastic in the plastic recycling factory process.
The plastic recycling factory process cuts cooled strands into precise pellets for molding.
The plastic recycling factory process dries pellets completely before molding. In the plastic recycling factory process, staff manually correct color sorting to ensure accuracy. The plastic recycling factory process uses robotic color sorting to separate plastics by... Crushed plastics are collected and checked in the plastic recycling factory process. Crushed plastics are collected and checked in the plastic recycling factory process. Crushed plastics are collected and checked in the plastic recycling factory process.
Every batch undergoes quality control in the plastic recycling factory process.
Clean flakes are fed into the pelletizer for melting.
Plastic pellets are fed into molding machines to shape new chairs.
The plastic recycling factory process injects molten plastic into molds for chair formation. Solid chairs are ejected and moved to finishing stations. The plastic recycling factory process injects molten plastic into molds for chair formation. In the plastic recycling factory process, molds are prepared for creating new chairs.
In the plastic recycling factory process, chairs in different color are cooled to retain perfect shape. The plastic recycling factory process trims and polishes chair edges for a perfect finish. Every chair from the plastic recycling factory process is designed to impress and last. Customers experience the comfort and durability of chairs made in the plastic recycling factory process. Customers experience the comfort and durability of chairs made in the plastic recycling factory process. In the plastic recycling factory process, staff guide customers to understand chair quality and features. New luxury difference chairs from the plastic recycling factory process are displayed for customers in showroom style. In the plastic recycling factory process, chairs are first covered in protective plastic, then packed into boxes according to their type and color. In the plastic recycling factory process, chairs are first covered in protective plastic, then packed into boxes according to their type and color. In the plastic recycling factory process, boxes are organized on pallets for safe transportation. The plastic recycling factory process labels every box for tracking and quality control. Packaging is automated to maintain efficiency and product safety. In the plastic recycling factory process, packed boxes fit size for chair size are securely sealed to protect the chairs during shipment. At the showroom, chairs are unloaded for display after the plastic recycling factory process. The plastic recycling factory process ensures chairs reach their destinations safely and efficiently. Packed chairs leave the plastic recycling factory process for delivery to showrooms and customers. The plastic recycling factory process combines technology, precision, and skilled staff to trolley chairs. Pallets of packaged chairs are loaded into trucks for delivery in the plastic recycling factory process. The plastic recycling factory process chairs are unboxed and prepared for display. Chairs are sorted by color and style in the plastic recycling factory process. Each chair undergoes quality inspection in the plastic recycling factory process. Chairs are polished in the plastic recycling factory process to achieve a premium look.
Every chair from the plastic recycling factory process is designed to impress and last. Your support means everything. Subscribe and like to explore more from the plastic recycling factory process.
Your support means everything. Subscribe and like to explore more from the plastic recycling factory process.
The plastic recycling factory process is powered by teamwork and advanced technology.
August what won the million views?
Comment below your favorite chair from the plastic recycling factory process.
Don't forget to like this video to support the plastic recycling factory process. Subscribe to see more amazing journeys in the plastic recycling factory process. Your support helps the plastic recycling factory process continue creating high-quality chairs. The plastic recycling factory process combines skilled staff and advanced machines. Look at the beautiful chairs produced through the plastic recycling factory process. Thanks for joining us today in the plastic recycling factory process.
The journey from discarded plastic to beautiful, functional chairs is complete.
Plastic recycling factory process combines recycling, technology, and craftsmanship in every chair.